Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. Can you believe it, you guys? We are at Family Dollar. Yes, they finally gave us a brand new 5 off of 25 coupon that we can use after all of these months of going without one. They have finally given us a new 5 off of 25. So you know what we're going to do. We are going to get into an all digital deal today that anyone can do. All you have to do is download the same digital coupons that I am going to use and enter in your phone number at the register. So easy, so simple. So the first item we want to grab is one of these Crest toothpaste. Y'all, these are $2 and they are absolutely free here because the $2 digital coupon is working on them just like it is at Dollar General. So this is going to be the first item in our deal. Let's grab us some free toothpaste. The next item we're going to grab is one of the 69 ounce Tide detergents. So these are actually on sale this week for $8.95. We are going to be using our $3 off one digital coupon. And then we're going to grab one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. So these are on sale as well for $3.95. We are going to be using a $2 off one digital coupon. Next up, we're going to grab one of the Gain fabric softeners. So these are on sale as well for $3.95. We are going to be using a $2 off one digital coupon. All right, you guys. So this is my complete $25 scenario. It's actually a little bit more than $25. Let me show you everything that we got. So the first thing that I picked up that I actually picked up off camera is the Gillette razors. So these are $5, but we have a $4 digital coupon. You have two different options that you can pick from, but that's going to be our filler item for today to get us over that $25 mark. We are going to use that $4 digital on that. Then we have our Crest toothpaste there, that's $2. We're going to use that $2 digital coupon. We have our Gain fabric softener that is $2, and we are going to use that $2 digital. We have our big 69 ounce Tide liquid detergent, so that's on sale for $8.95 this week. We're going to use that $3 digital coupon. We have our other Gain detergent over here for $3.95. We are going to be using that $2 digital coupon. Now our total without the Clorox bleach comes up to $23.85. That is not enough, of course, for us to use that 5 off of 25 coupon. So I built this transaction so that you can add in a $2 filler item of your choice. So anything in the store that you would like to add in, maybe you need a food item, maybe you need a paper product, you can add in like a roll of paper towels, whatever you want to add in for around the $2 mark to get your total over $25, you can do that. I chose the Clorox bleach because when I have a little flexibility in my 5 off of 25 transactions, I like to add in things that we don't coupon for that often. So the Clorox bleach is actually $2.75, so it's a little bit more than the $2 mark. So that's going to make our total $26.60. So after all of the digital coupons are applied, plus that 5 off of 25 coupon, we're not going to be using a coupon on the Clorox. Y'all, our total should be $8.60 for this deal. So good, considering that this alone is more than $8.60 to get everything for $8.60, I think is an awesome deal. So let's go up to the front and see how this works out. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of our receipt. So there's our Gain fabric softener, $3.95, $2 digital. There is our Gillette razor, $5, $4 digital. There is our Crest toothpaste, $2 with the $2 digital. There is our Gain liquid, that is $3.95 with the $2 digital. There is our Tide with Febreze 69 ounces. That was on sale. Regular price on that is $10. So we got a great deal on that. $8.95 with the $3 digital. And then there is our filler item, which was the Clorox bleach, $2.75 with no coupon. Subtotal came up to $8.60. And we had a total savings today of $18. If you get a cheaper filler item than the Clorox bleach, your total will be even less than the $8, y'all. So you can work this however you want to work this, but a total savings of $18 on those items. We got the Big Tide and some bleach. I am super happy with that and happy that Family Dollar is showing us a little love today. So get to the store before this coupon expires on the 1st of the month. I hope these deals were helpful to you all, and I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, you guys.